kung papansinin natin Akno, dito
Mhm.
sa walk na 'to, in this truth, according to sa binasa natin sa Ecclesiasticus, 'di ba?
Mhm.
'Di ba Most High will bring us into a low state
Mhm.
while I'm not calling any church, 'di ba, or any name of church that teach this particular doctrine. Kung ito yung tinuturo ng Most High, habang papalapit yung pagdating ng ating Messiah o ng ating tagapagligtas, no? And we're gonna go into this situation, tribulations,
Mhm.
and trials. While the churches, most of the churches are teaching prosperity gospel.
Mhm.
Imagine Imagine there is a big difference, 'di ba? Sa mga tinuturo nila sa atin sa mga churches, sa Christian churches. Well, in that teaching, sa tinuturo nila sa atin that, parang payaman tayo, dapat
Mhm.
payaman, paangat, paangat
Yes.
ng paangat. Yan ang turo nila sa atin. But
Yes.
while the scripture is telling us that habang lalong papalapit yung pagdating ng ating Messiah, and it's gonna bring us into that particular position in a low state, and then we're gonna experience a lot of challenges, trials, and tribulations. So, nakikita nyo na ang kaibahan, mga kapatid.